Hi, I'm Margaret.
I'm Corey.
And this is
A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour.
We're traveling the country looking for hotels that make us say yes.
Or no.
Or aw.
Or ew.
Or what?
Or gross.
We never know what we're gonna find, but either way, we'll probably say pretty cool. Welcome to A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour, Sybaris edition in Chicago, Illinois. Sybaris Pool Suites is a chain of hotels in the Midwest. There are some in Illinois, Indiana, and Wisconsin. We are going to the ones in the Chicagoland area today. Sybaris was started by Ken Knudsen and his wife, and it became kind of a haven for Midwestern couples who just wanted to have a sexy time in a private place where their kids and their in-laws would not find out. This is a magical place where couples could shed the stress of daily life and reacquaint themselves with love. An oasis of privacy, no windows, no phones, a special place dedicated to the enhancement of romantic marriage. I love the Midwest. Because this speaks to me. So something you might be asking yourself is, did my parents bang there? Oh, Sybaris? Yeah, my parents banged there. No, my parents went to the Grand Hotel.
Wow. My parents exclusively bang on Mackinac Island.
Go easy on us. We were up till after 3 a.m. scrolling TikTok. Trying to keep me young. I've actually had a lot of people tell me, hey, I remember as a kid growing up seeing these TV ads for this weird hotel. You should definitely go. So I looked at the website back then, like 8 years ago, and was like, I wish I was the kind of person who could stay here. But guess what? I am. What do you think of the bangs?
I mean, I always think your hair looks great.
No, I was asking.
Oh, okay. We weren't asking the person in front of you.
It has 4 stars. That's pretty good. Clean, spacious, refreshing. It felt like an 80s porn set, but isn't that why we're going? The mattress was very worn. Thought the bidet was a urinal. And then I was so terrified of having Mount Vesuvius blow up my a-hole.
Vesuvius is a famous volcano, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, I'm sorry I'm not up to date on my volcano knowledge.
Are you supposed to do it before you wipe or after you wipe? I still don't know, and I'm afraid to Google it.
Blah, blah, blah. It's romantic, it's sweet, blah, blah, blah. It's wonderful. They got a very loyal crowd. This is it. Here we go. Paradise swimming pool. For overnight. Don't pop it. So this is the Midwestern Paradise. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, we have robes. Can we please appreciate these stunning vacuum marks in this carpet? Fun chair, fun tub, more fun chairs. I'm feeling we're gonna spend some of our time there. Wow, that is cool. Love it as an option in case we stay over on a Saturday night and we have church in the morning. That I think is for a sex swing, but I don't know if they still do that. Just wanna see what, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a sex swing and it's sanitized. Careful. I don't know if we should. Oh gosh.
This mission is way too impossible!
Steam room. How is it?
There's no way you're not getting our genitals.
You ready to try it? Ready?
Yep.
Set, go.
Alright, on to the next.
On to the next. Sybaris. Cute tub. Looks like a biggie to me. Also, living for this decor. Okay, this must be a feature at all their places that they vacuum or clean their carpets in this little pattern, and I love it. Got some good sauce here, sparkling cider. Oh my gosh, jeez. That is a basket with a swing in it, right on the bed with how to use it. Intimacy hammock. Unlock the chain from each side of the canopy and allow them to hang freely.
Are there holes in the bottom of it for banging?
I don't know.
It's supposed to be a banging hammock?
Yes, that's why it's called the intimacy hammock.
Definitely feels very low risk because I'll just fall on a bed.
Right. Woo! Woo! This is the wildest ride. Welcome to paradise.
I like apple juice.
Second glass. Oh my gosh, save some for the tub.
Are you really a whole berry?
Do we have to stay interlocked?
Sybaris.
Sybaris.
Sybaris. I really like the Sybaris. Like, it's a really fun room.
We stayed in the best of the best that they have to offer, called the Chalet. That's the most expensive one, but I can't imagine wanting to stay in another one because it was so fun. The rooms are so clean, they are so safe. I feel like such a Midwestern white lady talking about these rooms, but like, that is what I am.
It's very entry-level skis.
Thank you. It is entry-level skis. It is really sexy. There are great features here. This is the type of place you save up for and go for a night. Most hotels like this, it's like $100 and you're like, yeah, something's gonna be broken, something's gonna be missing.
Some's gonna be slippery.
Some's gonna be slippery. And this place, like, everything just works. I had the time of my life. What is your face?
I don't know, I wasn't expecting you to break into song. I had... What's your problem?
I'm just like really sad it's over. I think I haven't impersonated a Midwesterner in so long that I kind of forgot what I used to do. Oh, Bob. Come on.
You have a bag in your car.
Anyway, I just think the Midwest does have some really great places. You know what they say about the Midwest?
They do it best.